Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 XE solid mechanics paper. Question number 77 is: a pin jointed truss has a pin support at the point E and a roller support at the point F. A horizontal force P is applied at pin H as shown in the figure. Which one of the members is in compression? Option A EF, option B FG, and option C EG, and option D EH. So this is the given figure. This is EH, this is FG, this is GF, this is EF, and this is EG. So force P is applied. So here you can see that the reaction to this force is this thing, and this will provide this part. So component of this will be this force will be a PEG on this thing, and reaction of this force will be a P, and component of this force will be a PEG. So it is causing compression in this member. Okay. So answer is this part will be subjected to compression because REH is P. So this is in this direction. So this will component of this will be in this direction, and component of this will be in this direction. So it is causing compression. So this is reaction force P. Okay, and action force is this. So it is causing. This is reaction. This is action. Okay, so both component of both will be a compression member. Okay, this is reaction. This is action. This is reaction, and this is the component of reaction. This is the component of action. So both will cause compression in member EG. So answer is option C, EG. EF will be subjected to expansion because here P is acting. Reactive P is in this direction and P is in this direction, so it is subjected to tension. FG again will be because there is no vertical force, so it will not be subjected to any action or reaction. And EG, it is subjected to compression, and EH will not be subjected to any force because no vertical force, so vertical members will not be subjected to any force. So only the compressive member is EG. So answer is EG.